Hi, Timmy from Timmy's Tips here, and I am going to show you how to remove that little small tray in between the ashtray and the heater controls on the climate controls on a 2003 Buick LeSabre. Now I'm sitting in a 2004, but it's almost the same thing, like the identical car, and I think would work on all LeSabres from 2001 to 2005. And so, now let's get to it. I've looked online forever for a tutorial on how to remove this little tray right here. And I can't really find one. And so I figured it out, and I'm making one for you. So, quickly, just remove the screws on the top and the one over here on the interior of the glove box. Remove the screws. Let me put you down because I have one hand. And so remove the screws from this piece. 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. They're all 7 mil. All of them. These ones are, yeah. And then, so then you kind of pry off the dash panel, the brown thing. It's just one, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 5. 4 and 5. The right here. That kind of clips that keep it on, and so you can pry it off, and then this is what you're left with. And so if you take, so you remove, remove the inner lining and the panel, and then you give you access to the screws on the top of this piece right here. So you remove that, and that will give you access to the ashtray. And then you have 2 7 mil on this side and 7 mil over here. And then to remove the underneath, what's it called? The knee booster or whatever underneath the steering column. There's another tab right here, and one over here on the other side, and you just pull it down essentially. And so so that's how you do that, and that'll give you access to these two as well. So the next step, because I was trying to figure it out, there are no screws up here. And oh, you have to remove this connector to the ashtray for the light and the power outlet. And then, so I'm looking up here, looking all over, and I figure out you can just pry it out right here on both sides. That's it. So I'm gonna put you down. Hopefully you can stay there. Stick a screwdriver in here. Do the other side. I think there's more leverage over here. And see. So the whole thing, see, it wraps, see how the top frame wraps around the left a little bit more. There's more space, and it becomes thinner over on the right side. And It's just a tray. Like a literal tray. Like this. That's it. Right here. You can just fit it in. So these tabs on the both sides keep it in place. So that's where it fits. Bam. There you go. All right. Timmy's Tips signing off. Another little helpful dude had. Take care and have a great day. Thanks.